What's up guys? Today I'm in another country once again here in Central America. I've come with Carol here to Belize, my first time in Belize, never been here before. Here's a bit more like Caribbean, even though it's part of Central America, like the vibe here is more Caribbean. And right now we're at a place called Caye. It's a little island where we're going to be staying, about a 30-minute water taxi ride from Belize City. But yeah, we're just going to be here for a few days. I'm not sure how long we're going to stay in this part. We're going to be discovering Belize during about 6 to 7 days. Check it out. But yeah, we're just walking around now. We don't really know what's here at all, so I'm going to show you around. Here we got some beautiful white sand. Beautiful clear water as well. So we actually got here, it's like 3 PM right now. So we've just come to a bar and a restaurant called Lazy Lizard. We're gonna get a bite to eat here. Looks like a really cool spot as well. Everyone's like chilling in the beautiful ocean and stuff like that. So yeah, we're just gonna see what there is to eat here. So here we got the food menu. All these prices are Belizean dollars, so the dollar is about a half of that. So you can see here you got like burgers for about $15 or a bit less. What else is there? Yeah, everything's around like $7, $10, $15. Got a really nice chill spot here. And then people jumping off that thing. Are you gonna dive in? Yeah. Yep. Alright, your turn. Go. So the water is super nice and warm here. Beautiful blue color as well. It's nice and warm though, right? Right, this place has just turned into a sandstorm. Check that out. So like all tropical places, the weather here is like crazy. It's all over the place. One point it's all cloudy, the next point like really sunny. But now like some big rainstorms come and we're just taking shelter here. Check this out. It is pouring it down right now. Okay, we're heading back to our hostel now. The sun looks like it's definitely not coming back out again, and it was pretty much sunset anyway. But we're gonna spend the entire day here tomorrow. We've only spent like 3 or 4 hours here today because we got here kind of late. So tomorrow should be a good day if the weather's good. Try and do some other things. Very small island, so we've actually like seen 3/4 of it already. But if you're here, you've definitely got to go to that place at the end. It's called yeah, the Lazy Lizard, that restaurant, and that's where you can like lots of cool places to swim and jump and stuff. So yeah, definitely go there. So we're gonna probably head back now and then go out and find some dinner later on. So since there's nobody here, I thought I might as well show you the hostel that we're staying in. So this is $11 per person, so me and Carol are paying $22 overall. So you can see here we got this double bed we're staying in, and then around got about 8 other beds. It's good for us, a good experience, because we've never actually stayed in hostels before, and obviously we're probably saving about $40–50 because the hotels here aren't that cheap really from what we was looking at. So yeah, we're actually going to stay here tomorrow since we're going to spend the day on this island once again. So we might as well spend another day here and save some more money. And right now we're just going to take some showers and then head out for dinner. Alright, I got a Mediterranean fish dish. This looks like it's all vegetables. Looks pretty interesting. $20 though, so super expensive. Carol also has some pasta, $20 as well. Expensive but super tasty. Everything's like kind of sweet tasting. I'm not sure what they put on it, but it tastes really good. We're back at the hostel again. Gonna go to bed now. It's not that late, but yeah, we're just pretty tired from all the traveling and swimming and stuff like that. So it's been a good half day here. Seems like a really relaxing place, and I'm just looking forward to seeing more of it tomorrow when we get the full day here, if the weather's good, that is. It's kind of like the start of rainy season here apparently, but yeah, today was pretty good, so let's hope it's the same tomorrow. As always, drop the video a like if you liked it, subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.